Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Future Engineer, and today we are going to discuss about what is hydrology and what are its various applications. So first of all, look at the word hydrology. It is made up of two words, hydro plus logy, where hydro means water and logy means to study or science. So we can say hydrology is the study of water, or we can also say hydrology is the science of water. Now you must be thinking what studies we do about water in hydrology. You can understand it well by a definition of hydrology. Hydrology can be defined as a science that deals with space-time characteristics of quality and quantity of water of Earth, encompassing their occurrence, movement, distribution, circulation, storage, exploration, development, and management. So these are the studies with which hydrology generally deals with. The studies related to occurrence, distribution, movement, storage, etc. of water. Look, hydrology is a very broad subject of interdisciplinary nature. Interdisciplinary means it is related to more than one branch of knowledge. You can see hydrology is related to various disciplines involving agriculture, geography, meteorology, geology, glaciology, and many more. And there are several methods borrowed from several disciplines such as mathematics, probability theory, numerical analysis, etc. for solving various hydrological problems. Hydrological problems like computing frequency of flood and in determining peak runoff from an area, etc. This type of hydrological problems can be solved by these methods. Basically, hydrology is an applied science, but sometimes it is classified into two categories. The first one is the scientific hydrology, and the second one is the engineering or applied hydrology. This engineering hydrology is the one with which we would be dealing in the future. Engineering hydrology generally deals with estimation of water resources, the study of processes such as precipitation, runoff, evapotranspiration, and their interaction, and it also deals with the study of problems such as floods and droughts. Now let's move to next part of our question, which is what are various applications of hydrology. So some important uses of hydrology are, the first one is the flood control. We can control floods by designing structures like dams, diversions, channels, etc. And to design these structures, hydrological inputs such as peak discharge, that is highest rate of flooding, and frequency of occurrence, that is when next flooding will arrive. This type of hydrological data is needed to design the structures for controlling flood. And the next important use of hydrology is in drought mitigation. Drought occur when there is a shortage of water, and some of the ways to reduce severity of drought are construction of water impoundments, groundwater pumpage, interbasin transfer, and water conservation. These are the some of the ways through which we can overcome the problem of drought. And to design these projects, hydrological inputs such as duration and volume of low flow in that area and probability of occurrence of next drought. This type of hydrological data are needed to design the projects for controlling drought. And the next important use of hydrology is in agricultural production. In agricultural production, hydrology is used to determine irrigation scheduling, that is number of days after which irrigation should be done in the field, and it is also used to determine soil erosion and sediment transport and migration of a chemical and their impact on water quality. Apart from this, it is also used to design a network of wells for a farm and a drainage system to remove excess water, and it is also used to design water conveyance system network such as dams, canals, and ditches. And the next important use of hydrology is in land conservation. Hydrology is used to develop scenarios for prevention of erosions through soil conservation, appropriate farm practices, vegetation management, water diversion, afforestation, reduced flooding, and controlled land use. So these are the some of the ways through which erosion can be prevented. And the next important use of hydrology is in designing of hydraulic structures. As I mentioned earlier, for controlling flood, various hydraulic structures are used, such as dams, channels, etc. And to design these structures, we need hydrological inputs such as discharge rate and probability of occurrence, etc. So there are other more important uses of hydrology you can see on your screen. So this was all about hydrology and its applications. If you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.